Hi everyone! So last week nag-pull out ako sa Charles and Keith and these are the stuff that I got. So mainly I got 4 items, 1 sandals, tapos 3 bags. First item that I got is this baguette bag in cream na may gold hardware. Wala pa kasi akong bag na white or cream na may gold hardware. So I got this. Unang kita ko pa lang dito ay mine. Mine na po agad. Super structured niya, hindi nalulukot yung bag. Also the straps. Ito yung favorite ko. So next, another bag. I also got this for myself. Another black bag. Pero last time nangako ko sa sarili ko na mamimili na ako ng makulay na bag. Pero hindi ko natiis. Ang ganda, girl. Wala pa kasi akong bag na black na silver yung hardware. So I got this one. Sobrang ganda. I like. So next bag that I have here is not mine. I got this for my best friend. Regalo ko sa kanya ng birthday niya. Pero 1 month yun na to. Pero sorry, ngayon ko lang nabili. Pero, ayan. Super ganda. Very her. Ang cute ng color, tapos gold yung hardware niya. I like. Meron din siyang kasamang strap na pang sling bag. So, last item that I got is sandals. Dapat heels yung bibilin ko. But, hindi ko to natiis, girl. Ang ganda. Look, grabe. It's very me. Ang ganda. So, akala ko ang color niya is cream, pero chalk. Chalk pala, according to the description. But yeah, super ganda. Lagi ko itong magagamit. Very basic. I can also style this with socks. And syempre, pwede rin wala. I super love. Ang ganda. Sorry, ang lakas ng ulan. But, sama ko na rin to. I also got this sa last pull out ko, before this pull out. I actually got this for my mom. Pero nasa akin pa rin kasi hindi ko pa rin nabibigyan. Ang ganda! Oh my gosh! It's so pretty. Para siyang handbag na parang tote handbag. Or what do you call this? Bucket bag. Tapos may extra strap lang din siya. So pretty! It's so nice. So yeah. So these are the items that I got from Charles and Keith.